Go.
So hello everyone again for problem number 2. So 3,500 kilowatts plant has a utilization factor of 71% and a load factor of 39.6%. What is the average load on the plant? So for the choices, A is 984.06 kilowatts, B is 13,860 kilowatts, and C is 24,850 kilowatts, and D is 19,521.2 kilowatts. So for the solution, the formula we will use is the maximum demand is equals to the utilization times the rated So ang atong utilization is 71%, so i-convert na natin siya into decimal. So 0.71 times the rated value, which is 3,500 kilowatts. So magawa tayo maximum demand of 2,485 kilowatts. So for the average load for this plant, so I will use the formula of the average load is equals to factor times the maximum demand. So ang atong load factor is 36.9%, so i-convert na natin siya sa decimal. So magawa tayo 0.396 decimal, and i-times na natin siya sa maximum demand, which is 2,485. So napay makuha nga average load is equals to 984.06 kilowatts.